Welcome to our great books for teaching and reading. We hope it will inspire a lot of parents and children to read more.
Harry the Dirty Dog, by Jean Zion, and illustrated by Margaret Bloy Graham. Harry is a delightful dog, with white fur and black spots. However, Harry hates bats, and will do anything to avoid them. What will happen when Harry gets so dirty that his family doesn't recognize him? Arthur's Teacher Trouble, by Marc Brown. Here is another excellent book about everyone's favorite aardvark, Arthur. Arthur has the strictest teacher in the whole world, Mr. Ratburn. He even assigned homework on the first day of school. Plus, there is a Spellathon to get ready for. How will Arthur fare with all these new academic challenges? Paperboy, by Vince Vaughter. If you enjoyed To Kill a Mockingbird, you will love Paperboy. Little man can throw a baseball faster than any other kid he knows, but he does struggle with something everyone else seems to do just fine, speaking. Little man has a stutter, so when he agrees to take over his friend's paper route for a month, he is filled with dread over having to talk to people. He doesn't know that a neighborhood junkman will pose more problems for him than his stutter will. A Newbery Honor-winning book. The Celebrated Jumping Frog of Calaveras County, by Mark Twain. This classic short story was Mark Twain's first big literary success. It is the story of a gambler who has a frog named Daniel Webster, who he trains for 3 months to jump spectacularly high. The results of the contest are sure to amuse the reader.
If you like the books, don't forget to share and like. Hit the subscribe button below to be notified about great new books. Let us know what you think about the books by leaving a comment below, or suggest future books. Give your kids an edge with professional individual teaching. Visit our website saraswatination.com for more information about our favorable prices and professional services. Here you will find valuable tips and information about teaching and learning.